Being a regulatory person, it's like for me be the bridge between pharma companies and all regulatory authorities. So I always like to provide support, provide advices and support manufacturer, researcher and scientists on all regulatory aspects of the clinical trials. And for me, regulatory affairs is a mission because we try to advance science to provide regulatory guidance on how to advance the clinical trial product or program of sponsors or researchers, and that the medication will be available to treat or cure many diseases or infection like COVID-19 and to save lives. Basically, sponsors choose to run their studies in Canada because to save time and expedite the process for first dosing start. So I can say that the clinical trial application to Health Canada is less heavy. There is less models to prepare. Basically, it's only 2 models. So it will be easy for them to expedite the process and have a quick first dosing start. So at Alta Sciences, we offer a standalone consultancy services and we do the entire regulatory filing. So we as RA team, we provide strategic guidance on regulatory aspects of clinical trials, mainly phase 1 to Health Canada. So if needed before the study awards, we meet with the clients. We provide them guidance if they have any questions or concern on their investigational drug. And even after the study being awarded, we meet with the clients. We offer them a pre-CTA planning meeting with us to discuss deliverable and specifics on the clinical trial application to Health Canada. We review and provide gap analysis and CMC support on the CTA documentation. And we also prepare the CTA submissions to them. We also offer the service of preparing and writing the quality overall summary template. In case, for example, they have any new active drug substance or major complex issues in their drug development, we also offer the service of pre-CTA consultancy meeting with Health Canada. We submit the official request on behalf of the sponsor, and it will be an opportunity to client to present relevant data to the health agency, discuss any major concerns and resolve them to better solve the issues for their drug product development. So timelines are really important for any sponsors for the start of their clinical trials. So we always make sure that we provide the most feasible timelines to our sponsors, for sure with the support and help of the project management team. We meet on regular basis. So for the formal review period of a clinical trial application, it's 30-day calendars day. We always make sure that there is no questions during the screening window, so the study is considered complete on the day that we submit to Health Canada. So we plan the meetings based on what is required. So for example, if it's if there is any controlled substance that will be used in the study, we need to file an exemption application as well to the Office of Controlled Substance at Health Canada, and the review period will take 45 calendars days from receipt of all required documents. So all timelines about regulatory submissions, we discuss them with the project manager that is assigned to the study. We try to build up a feasible timeline in order to not delay study start and to make the clients satisfy on deliverable and all specifics.